Rendering and previewing a sequence. So if you notice up here in the top of our timeline, there's a red bar here. So this red bar means that this sequence is unrendered. If it's yellow, it means it's unrendered. However, the playback up here in our program monitor can be played back in real time and at a full frame rate. And if it's green, that means that this sequence has been rendered. So what does it mean to be rendered? Well, you have set media files on your system. Those media files are not altered, right? But when we put effects in Premiere Pro, we might put effect of something like it was too dark and we made it brighter, or we put some transitions in, or we made some special effects. Whatever we've done to it, then we make a new temporary video file that has all those changes. And so we're actually playing this temporary file. So to create a rendering, we're going to just click down here into our timeline. I'm going to bring back my playhead back to the very beginning, and I'm going to hit enter. Notice how it renders on the screen. This will take time, and it'll render all the different videos. And I'm just going to let this run, but you'll see then it'll go. Notice how I went to green then. So the first clip is rendered. Now the second clip has been rendered, and now the third clip will be rendered. And so what happens then is you might have some problems with the playback if this is in the red. Okay, yellow, you're going to be okay. Green, you're in good shape. So this is a good indicator, and this will take some time depending how much video you have. So keep an eye on this. And so effectively, all we want to do is typically bring this back to the beginning, and we want to hit enter, and it'll take some time. And that's what we're doing, is rendering this file. And so it'll end up rebuilding a new temporary video file for us on our machine, and will not alter our original media. And so then once we've done that, we can preview it by going up and hitting our play button, and we can preview the sequence in its full glory.